setting the stage for our practice, I'm going to read a brief excerpt from this poem, A Brief for the Defense by Jack Gilbert. We must risk delight. We can do without pleasure, but not delight, not enjoyment. We must have the stubbornness to accept our gladness in the ruthless furnace of this world. Today's practice is about remembering what's still possible. Even a world that feels overwhelming, fast, or even ruthless. It's a call back to your breath, a return to your body, and a reclamation of your ability to feel joy, not just in the ideal moments, but within the fire. Wherever you are, begin by letting your body arrive. Let your spine be long, but not tense. Maybe you can start feeling the space vertebra between vertebra. As you inhale, you notice expansion, elongating. And on the exhale, you notice release. Feel the ground beneath you. Notice what it's like to be supported. Feel the weight of your bones. And the quiet presence of gravity, keeping you locked to the earth below. Now bring attention directly to your breath. Notice where you feel the breath most. Let that be a focal point for a moment. And as you breathe, drop your awareness down from your thoughts into your chest. Now into your belly. Into your legs. Into your feet. Noticing where you're making contact with the ground below. Recognizing that you're here now. You're alive. You're safe. And allow yourself to feel the grounded, safe place so you can relax and soften. Notice how you have thoughts and sensory information that comes in all the time. Although you can be grounded in this moment, the world and your mind is constantly giving information. I want you to imagine whether it's the sensory information that you're receiving, like what you hear, what you feel or touch, or your thoughts or feelings. Imagine that those are like flames. Just like flames, they can be hot, they can be chaotic. But unlike flames, as you breathe, you're not being burned. They're happening, but somehow you're still here, breathing, whole, maybe even noticing the coolness of the inhale, despite any thought, feeling, or sound whipping around. And somewhere from this center place, you remember that you're still here and breathing. And as you notice the coolness of the inhale, and maybe get distracted by a thought or sound, you feel a little bit of that heat. And you're here to notice. Notice that you can even choose a little bit of delight, even in the chaos, even now, especially now. See that if you're breathing, you can bring a half smile to your face, not a fake one, a gentle one, a remembering one. And again, your thoughts and the world around you may bring flames, distracting you, but try to let that smile travel to your chest, to your shoulders, to your hands. What happens when you wear delight like skin? Notice what opens. Notice what softens. Notice if things feel a little more light or possible. And if you still are distracted by the flames of your thoughts and the world around you, that's okay too. That's where we are today. Now imagine there's a future version of you, you that's walking through life, not avoiding the thoughts and feelings or the parts of the world that feel like fire, but one that's radiant within it, chooses to be content, recognizes that you can breathe in space and coolness wherever you are. Visualize yourself walking with that sense of presence, with rhythm, with gratitude. Notice what your posture is and see if you can let yourself, in this moment, inhabit a little bit more of that posture. And breathe. Notice what it's like to feel into your body now. Are you able to hold on a little bit to more to delight, to ease? What does it feel like in your body? And allow yourself to be okay if we get distracted by the flames of our mind or the world around us. The point is not to get perfectly dialed in. It's to notice when we've fallen away and get distracted and return. And now I invite you just to be. Drop any focal attention and just breathe. We must have the stubbornness to accept our gladness in the ruthless furnace of this world. That's presence. As we begin to bring this practice to a close, start to bring awareness back into your body. Starting with your feet, you wiggle your toes. Notice what it's like to be in shoes. Noticing your legs, breathing into them deeply. Allowing breath to inhabit your belly and fill up your back. Letting your shoulders drop just a little bit more. Allowing a little bit more relaxation into your arms. And into your neck. And across your face. Taking a final deep breath deep inside. Asking yourself, how can I carry forward that sense of delight, that sense of ease, as I return back into the world, even if it is a furnace. And as you return to your day, remember you're allowed to feel joy. Even here, even now. And whenever you're ready, return back to the world